Stop fighting your credit history and discover a new way to get your score back on track in days to weeks. Most people waste months looking backward at old mistakes. But today, I'm showing you how to legally inject a better future into your profile right now. There are exactly 2 ways to improve your credit score. Most people only know about the first one. Today, we're breaking down credit repair versus authorized user trade lines and exactly when you should be using each. This is Optimized Credit, where we teach how credit actually works. Welcome back. If you're watching this, you probably have a goal. Maybe you want to buy a house, finance a car, or just stop getting denied for premium credit cards. When it comes to fixing a damaged credit score, the financial industry wants you to think there is only one path. But in reality, you have 2 completely different levers you can pull. The first lever looks backward at your past mistakes. The second lever looks forward, injecting brand new, highly positive data into your profile right now. These are not rival strategies. They solve different problems at different stages of your credit journey. Think of it like sports stats. Credit repair cleans up your bad history, while trade lines improve what your profile looks like today. Let's talk about the backward approach first. This is what everyone knows: credit repair. It means auditing your report line by line and addressing negative or incorrect items with creditors, collectors, and the bureaus. A lot of people miss this. Even closed accounts can actively tank your score if they show an unpaid balance, a charge-off, or a collection status. To the algorithm, these markers scream, "This person does not resolve their obligations." But here is the brutal truth about credit repair. Even when you do everything perfectly, it is incredibly slow. You're at the mercy of bureaucratic timelines. You are realistically looking at 60 to 90 days, or much longer, before you see your score react. However, if your file has real damage, cleanup is often the most durable long-term move. But what if you don't have 90 days? What if your lease is up next month, or you need to lock in a mortgage rate today? This brings us to the forward-looking approach: authorized user trade lines. Instead of fighting your past, trade lines work by artificially strengthening your present. Also known as credit piggybacking, this strategy involves a friend, family member, or a specialized company adding you as an authorized user to an existing, perfectly managed credit card. When you get added to a high-limit card with years of flawless history, the credit bureaus take all of that positive data and literally copy-paste it onto your report. Suddenly, your overall credit limit goes up, your utilization drops like a rock, and your average age of accounts shoots up. If you want a free, personalized 30-day action plan built from your actual credit report, head to optimizedcredit.net. Now let's keep going. Now let's be crystal clear. Trade lines do not erase your bad history. If you missed a car payment last year, that late mark is still there. They add positives. They do not erase negative, meaning you just don't have much credit depth. Or if your balances are high and dragging down your score, trade lines are your best friend. They can add depth and lower utilization in a matter of days or weeks. But if your file is filled with major inaccuracies, unresolved collections, or severe derogatory history, repair is priority 1. For stricter lenders, unresolved negatives will outweigh any quick profile boosts. Clean data and resolved obligations matter. For many people, the smartest play is the hybrid strategy. Run disputes and negotiations in the background to fix the past, while using trade lines to rapidly improve your present metrics. Fast isn't always better, and slow isn't always smarter. Better means matching the tool to your exact bottleneck. Figure out what's holding your score back, pull the right lever, and get the approval you deserve. Understanding these foundational rules is only step 1. To map out your exact next moves, run a free profile scan and get your 30-day action plan at optimizedcredit.net. And make sure to subscribe for more step-by-step credit education.